What are you doing?
You do yours first.
I'll do mine too. What are you doing though?
Play with my so-so.
You're playing with your so-so? Did Mama make a hole in it? I'm sorry. I'll fix that later. I'll fix it later.
You make a hole in it.
I didn't mean to. There you go.
And you fixed it.
I did fix it.
I did a hole.
Alright. What are you doing now? Are you so-sewing?
I still got it.
Still got it. Now go through here.
Mama, that's my needle.
That is your needle. Are you so-sewing just like Mama?
Mama, you want to sew too?
I'll sew too in a minute. Why don't you sew first?
Let you sew too.
Okay.
My needle is sweet.
It is very sharp. Can you push, push?
I don't
Push, push. Now grab the needle and pull, pull.
grab a needle and pull.
That's right.
I got it.
You got it. You got it.